Students, now in this session I will explain question number 6, 7 and 8 of exercise 5.1 chapter 5 lines and angles. Now in question number 6 they have given one figure like this, okay, and they have drawn one line here also, and they have named this two angle as this angle they have named as 1 and this angle as 2. Okay, now they have asked, now we all know that if I do not draw this line, student, first of all you need to understand, suppose this is a straight line, isn't it? So straight line always measures what? 180 degree, isn't it? It always measures 180 degree. Now in the upper case you see I'm dividing this 180 degree into two halves, that is this whole angle is what? 180 degree only. Okay, now you're dividing this 180 degree into two halves, not equal half, two halves. Fine. So obviously if I add this angle 1 and angle 2, then sum of these two angles will be equals to 180 degree only, isn't it? It will be equals to 180 degree only. So that is the reason we will say these two angles as supplementary angles. So the first thing that we'll write is, students, that is angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. Okay, are supplementary. And why? You have all understood, because the sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degree. This is what we have learned for supplementary angles. Okay, now what is the question they have asked? They have asked if angle 1 is decreased. Suppose if this angle 1 is decreased, suppose if this line will come to this side, then this angle will decrease. So what will happen? What changes you will see for question for angle 2? Obviously, if you decrease this angle 1, then obviously angle 2 will increase, isn't it? So this is the nature that if you decrease angle 1, then angle 2 will increase, and if you decrease this angle 2, then angle 1 will increase. Okay, so what we have to write? That if angle 1 is decreased, then what will happen? Then angle 2 will increase. So this is what we are supposed to write here. So this is the question that they have asked. What will happen if I decrease angle 1? So angle 2 will increase. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 6. Let's move on to question number 7. Now question number 7 we have, can two angles be supplement if both of them are acute? Now the first question is acute. Okay, now what is the meaning of acute angle, students? Acute angle means angles less than 90 degree. So those angles are called acute angles. Okay, so now they have said, now we know that what is a supplementary angle? Sum of two angles, that is sum of two angles, first angle plus second angle, the sum of two angles should be equals to what? 180 degree, isn't it? So this is called supplementary angle. Okay, so that means the sum of two angles should be equals to 180 degree. Now what is the condition they have given? Now they have asked, suppose acute angle. Now if both the angles are less than 90 degree. Now what they have said, if both the angles are acute, will it be possible that you will get the sum as 180 degree? No, students. Why? You see, suppose if both the angles are less than 90 degrees, suppose if I take 98.5 also, 89.5 and 89.5 also. So what is the answer that I will get? I will get 179, isn't it? 179. So you see, when the two angles are acute angle, which is acute angle means less than 90 degree, then you will not get the sum as 180 degree. So it will not be a supplement. Okay, so what do you have to write? So you will write no. Fine. So no, it is not possible. And why it is not possible? Because you will write that because the sum of two angles, will be less than 180 degree. Isn't it? So this is the reason it is not possible. Now what if the second question they have asked obtuse? Now again, what is obtuse angle, students? Angles more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Less than 180 degree. That is the angles which comes in the range. That is in between 90 degree and 180 degree. Those all angles are considered to be as obtuse angle. Now, what if I say that if both the angles are obtuse angle? That means this time you see that both the angles should be more than 90 degrees. Should be more than 90 degrees. Suppose if I take one angle as 91 and another angle as 90.5. So what will be the sum? The sum would be 181.5. So see, what is the sum? Sum is coming more than 180 degree, isn't it? So if the two angles are more than 180 degree, then also the sum will not be equals to 180 degree, isn't it? So in this case also we'll write no. And why no? Because the sum of two angles will be more than, now this time more than 180 degrees, students. Okay, so this time it will be more than 180 degree. Now they have given a second condition, that is what? Number 3, right angle. Now what is right angle? Angle which measures exactly 90 degree, isn't it? Exactly 90 degree. Now what if the two angles are 90 degree? So will it be possible that we'll get the sum as 180 degree? Absolutely yes, because 90 plus 90 is what? 180. So this time we will write yes. That's it. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 7. Now let's move on to question number 8. Now question number 8 is also very interesting. Now what is it? An angle is greater than 45 degree. Now suppose one angle they have said greater than 45 degree. Now the first angle, let it be first angle. That first angle is greater than. They have not specified the angle. They have just said it is greater than 45 degree. So greater than 45 degree. Okay, this is the information that they have given in first sentence. Now is its complementary angle is greater than 45 degree or equal to 45 degree or less than 45 degree? Now they are just asking, suppose if first angle is greater than 45 degree, so what would be the second angle then? So second angle will measure more than 45 degree, less than 45 degree or equals to 45 degree. So this is what we have to check. You have to use your common sense. Now you see, suppose first angle plus second angle, okay, is equals to 90 degree. This is what complementary angle is all about. The sum of two angles should be equals to 90 degree. Now suppose if both the angle is equals to 45 degree. Now assume that both the angles are equals to 45 degree. Then also 90 will come. Now what if, now we'll work out on this criteria. What if the first angle is more than 45 degree? Suppose I have taken 50 degree here. Now in this case, will it be the second angle? Will the second angle be more than 45 degree, less than 45 degree or equals to 45 degree to bring 90 degree? So now you see, if you add 50 plus 45, the sum will come 95. So it is not working, isn't it? Because the sum should be always equals to what? 90 degree. So in this case, when we are increasing this first angle, that is when we are putting the value more than 45 degree, then what we are observing is that we have to decrease the second angle, that is less than, the value should be less than 45 degree. Fine, that means it should be 40 degree. Understood? So if the first angle is more than 45 degree, then the second angle will be always less than 45 degree. Fine. So this is the observation. Fine. So when first angle we are increasing, second angle is decreasing. Okay. First angle, when we are increasing this first angle, we are decreasing the second angle. So what will be the answer then? How to write this answer? So we'll write that if the first angle is greater than 45 degree, then its complement. Its complement means second angle we are talking about. Then its complement would be less than 45 degree. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 8. I hope you have understood. So that's it for today. God bless you all. Take care and stay blessed.